changes.
Do you ever wonder whether you need water treatment or not? How about drinking water? How would you like to have a test where you can determine what your water tastes like as compared to actual really pure water? Well, I've got a simple test you can make right at home, and it's fun for the family to do. Just simply go down to the grocery store and pick you up a gallon of distilled water. Bring it home and get out 2 clean, clear glasses. All right, take that distilled water and pour about a half a glass in one glass, and take your tap water and put a half a glass in your other glass. Now make sure that both are at room temperature. If your tap water is cold from the winter or whatever, then go ahead and let it sit for a while and come up to room temperature. That's very important that both be equal temperatures. Okay, now, this is very important. Take a sip of your distilled water first and swish it around in your mouth and think about the taste of it. Now, when you do that, some people will think, well, this sort of tastes flat. Okay, it doesn't have any taste to it. Well, that's true, and there's a reason for that. Okay, next, take your tap water and do the same thing. Take a sip of it, swish it around in your mouth, and taste it real good, and think about the taste of it. Now, here's the point. The difference in the taste of your tap water and your distilled water is caused by things that are in the water, contaminants, that are different from pure water itself. It's very rare to ever find water in a natural state that's completely pure water. That normally only happens in a laboratory situation. So any taste that you have in your water that's different from the pure water, the distilled water, is actually something that's dissolved in the water or something that's particulate matter. It could be sediments or whatever that are imparting a taste. It could be gases in the water from sanitizing agents or from things like sulfur, hydrogen sulfide, whatever. It's just something that's different from pure water. Now, just because you have a taste that's different from pure water doesn't mean that your water's bad. Matter of fact, a lot of people are going to say, well, I like my tap water better than that pure water. And there's a good reason for that. Some of the minerals in water actually give it a good taste. On the other hand, a lot of the water tastes terrible, like the water that I have out here in Southern California. It tastes terrible as compared to the distilled water. And others just want to make sure they want to get as close to pure water as they can for their families. And so whether it tastes different or not, they know that it's not pure water, so they want to clean it up. Okay, I hope you'll remember that fun little test. It can be a lot of fun for a family to do together, and it can be used as sort of a science experiment also for children. But in any case, it shows you a good difference of what your water is compared to what pure water is like. Well, I hope you enjoyed this, and if you learned a little something from it, would appreciate very much if you're watching this on YouTube if you would click the like button below. I'd be grateful for that. Thank you.